Where does the name for Denbigh, or in Welsh, Dinbych, come from? So today I'm in Denbigh in Denbighshire in North Wales. Now, in order to know where the name comes from, we need to look at the Welsh version of the name. Dinbych is made of two parts. Din, which is a fortress, and bych, which is a short form of bychan, which means small. So literally it means the small fortress, but the name originally didn't apply to where Denbigh is today. It was applied actually originally to a small fortress built by Llywelyn for his daughter Gwenllian, about 3/4 of a mile south of here. The original name for the hill that Denbigh Castle's built on was Llys Gwenllian, Llys being a court or a manor house, and Gwenllian was the name of Llywelyn's daughter who was gifted this land by her father before the conquest. So where does the English name for Denbigh come from? Well, there's other Dinbychs in Wales, like Tenby, Dinbych y Pysgod, in South Wales. So why is it Denbigh and not Tenby? Well, in Middle English, which is the language that the settlers who came here after the conquest to build the castle spoke, a GH was a ch noise. So they heard the Welsh name Dinbych and said, okay, well, we're going to call it Denbych. But obviously, as English has changed over time, that ch noise has been dropped and it's become Denbigh. So, following the conquest of Wales and the settlement of English settlers in Denbigh, Denbigh became quite a quiet town until in the 1400s when Owain Glyndwr turned up and burnt the castle down and the town during his rebellion against the English. Following this, the town became quite quiet again and was a market town throughout the Tudor period. But in 1646, during the Civil War, a royalist garrison held themselves up in Denbigh Castle and eventually surrendered, and after that the castle was partially demolished to make sure that it wasn't used for similar things again. Okay, so this building behind me is Theatr Twm Ronant, and I always think it looks like one of those Russian Dom Kultury. If you know what I'm talking about, you know. Right, we're going to have to wrap this video up here because they started throwing it down. There's a big storm Eorwyn on the way, and the weather's getting pretty rough. So, diolch, subscribe, give us a like and a share. Check out the link in my bio, my Patreon's there, if you want to support me with my expensive habits of paying bills and eating food. That'd be